Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account from SHEIN. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, and you won't want to miss that. So let's just jump right into it. First, let's open the SHEIN app. It usually opens up in the shop menu, so we have to go to the Me menu. Here in the top right corner, there's a little gear icon. We tap on that and it opens up settings. And here at the top of the list, we tap on Manage My Account. And here on the bottom, there's a Delete Account button. We tap on this, and if you want to delete your account, you can just proceed by tapping on Apply to delete account. And that's pretty much it. So in the settings menu, you go to Manage My Account, Delete Account, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.